What are the different types of credit banks and financial institutions give to SME and corporate? Basically, we can classify them as fund-based credit and non-fund-based credit, right? So fund-based credit, we can have it like working capital, or put it like this. Under fund-based itself, we can have two types. Under fund-based itself, we can have two types. Fund-based credit given for working capital, fund-based credit given for projects. So what is given for working capital can be like cash credit, it can be overdraft, it can be say like bill discounting, it can be working capital demand loan. So these are all the possible types of credit. And under project finance, it can be the term loans. For projects, banks generally give term loans. Under non-fund based, again, you can have non-fund based credit facilities given for working capital and given for project purposes. Yes, under non-fund based also you will have this classification. For working capital, businesses may require letter of credit, bank guarantee, and even for projects, sometimes for purchasing the machinery, you may have to produce letter of credit to the supplier. So it is called as LC for capital goods. And sometimes you may have to give a bank guarantee or maybe to some government authorities, tax authorities, or if you're going to import a machinery for the project, then for that machinery, some BG may have to be given maybe for a slightly a longer period. Okay, so in those cases also, the non-fund based will come into picture. So the types of credit are divided into two: fund-based credit and non-fund-based credit. Fund-based credit is divided into working capital and project financing. Under that, you have cash credit, overdraft, bill discounting, working capital demand loan. And for project purposes, generally what you will have is term loan. Under non-fund based, again, you have for working capital and for project. For working capital, it can be letter of credit, bank guarantee. And for project also, it can be letter of credit for capital goods, bank guarantee for slightly a longer period, maybe for capex purposes.